Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you that you are not playing any app or any game in BlueStack 5 because it will not run on Nugget 64 because it will run in only Pi 64 or Nugget 32-bit. But there is one more solution that it can solve you if you are not using Windows 11. Then you can solve this video. There is another video and there's another video here to create a new instance, but I can't create a new instance on Nugget 32-bit or Pi 64-bit. When I want to install Pi 64-bit, but it will not install because it is not supported. So fix that. You need to do some things that you can to fix this solution problem. To do that, first of all, you need to close the BlueStack. Then a simple solution that this exe file I'll give you in the description below. Just open it. Then it will say please wait while BlueStack performs the necessary actions. Okay, it will disable Hyper-V in your system. Here you can see the process completes successfully. You don't need to do anything else. Just open the app as run as administrator or double click it. It will do as your things. Here you can see the process completes successfully. Would you like to restart your PC? The change that take effect. Okay, now we need to restart my PC. So I'm gonna restart it. I have restarted my PC. So I'm gonna open here. You can see I'm gonna open BlueStack 5 here. Just open it now. The problem is still here because I didn't install 64-bit, but I can't install 64-bit because of the Hyper-V. So I have disabled it. Now I can. Now we're gonna check that we can install it or not. Here you can see I can install Nugget 32-bit or Pi 64-bit. Now I can install it. Here you can see I'm gonna open it. Next, then select medium for two cores and memory. I can go for 4 GB. I'll go to 180p. It will go there and balance. Okay, now download. I'm downloading this 60 Pi 64-bit. Wait for to download. It's completing. It has downloaded the necessary files. Now we are gonna start. First of all, you need to stop this one, Nugget 64-bit. Here I'm stopping it. Now I'm gonna open Pi 64-bit. Here you can see it's a new one. It is the Bluestack, the game I was playing. So I'm gonna download it again. First of all, I need to open account or sync into my account, Google account. You need to sync in your Google account. I have already synced in. Now I'm gonna download a app or my game that I want to start before. It has been installed. Now I want to play. Here you can see it is opening. You can see I'm opening it. Here I have installed the game again because it was not installed in a new system. So now I'm gonna open it. Here it's opening. You can play any games or any apps.
El primo!
Okay, for your sake, I'm gonna play one match here. Not good at it, but there you can see.
El primo! Primo punch! Face of fury!
I have deleted it because
El primo!
okay guys, that's the one. You can play any games or anything else, any apps you can want to use it. Just follow my rules, follow my instructions. Thank you guys. If you helped by my video, please like and subscribe my video. It will help me grow up my channel, and it will inspire me to make any like this video more and more. Thank you guys. See you next video. Goodbye.